situation of an aggressive team leader who is firing her male employee relentlessly without any reason. So, coming to our introductions.
I'm Divya. I'm playing the role of an employee who acts as a witness to what happened.
And my name is Arvind. Phone number
007 అంట వీడియో మరి తిమ్మకం I'm playing.
I'm the male.
Coming to me, I'm acting as a team leader. I'm the aggressive team leader, by the way.
స్టార్టింగ్ లోనే కామెడీ చూడు.
I'm the HR manager.
Here is the office scenario. Basically, it's a call center. He's the male employee and she's the female employee. They would be taking a call. And our HR manager is seated here. And now I would be starting the play. Now I would be coming to the rounds. Hi, Arvind. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Hi, Sharon.
What are you doing? Oh my God! You're listening to Enrique's songs. You don't have any bloody reason to do this.
Actually, I'm waiting for a call.
Waiting for a call since how long?
13 minutes, 47 seconds.
13 minutes? And do you think it's a small amount of time? And let me see, Divya. Alright, you're on a call. Carry on. It's 2 minutes 47 seconds. And what do you think of yourself, Arvind?
Actually, I'm waiting for a call, Sharon.
This is not the way you need to be first thing. This is not the way. The company is not just paying 15,000 to just sit and listen to Enrique's songs. It is paying you 15,000 for a reason. Come on, you just walked in. The login time, don't talk. The login time is at 11:30 in the morning, and you walked up around 1:30. What do you think? And you just work for 6 hours and you take a break of 1 hour. What? I am not going to keep quiet on this issue. And since past 1 week, you've been coming around 1:30 in the afternoon. And this is not the way it should be. What was the very reason for you today? What was the very reason for you today to come late? Every day you've got reasons. Every day you've got reasons. Is this the way? If this is the way, please leave the organization. And I am a promised employee of this organization, and I need to fulfill my organization expectations. And you come down and
dialogues
and I am not going to keep quiet. And I am not going to keep quiet, and I am going to tell this to HR. Please do your work. Please do your work.
శైలజ కొట్టలేదు చెప్తా నీ కథ. దివ్య ఇప్పుడు
Hey Vidya, good morning.
Hi, Saraja.
Hi, I'm doing good. How are you? Pull a chair. Huh? 1 second.
అరవింద్ గురించి చెప్పాలి దివ్య.
Yes. How's it going?
Yeah, fine, Saraja. What's the reason you're being here?
See, Vidya, there's one guy in my team, and I've got only one male employee in my team and 8 females. And this guy is really sick. I mean, he says he always comes late to the office by 2 hours. He takes hardly 30 calls, but the lady employees, being women, they do all their work in the house and they come down and they take 60 calls a day. And when I ask this guy, he says me that his cousin met with an accident. And he's trying to just make cock and bull stories. And I'm really fed up with this guy. Vidya, trust me, I don't want this guy in my team. I need a swap. Please.
Calm down, Saraja. Calm down. Okay, I'll let you know what is the main problem with him. Okay, you can just go.
Alright, Vidya, please, I'm just telling you, please find an amicable solution for this. And I don't want this guy in my team. I just don't want. I'm happy being in a girly team with 8 girls. Getting me? Bye.
అరవింద్కి చెమటలు పడుతున్నాయి, నీళ్ళు అవుతున్నాయి.
Hello? Arvind?
Yeah, yeah.
Please come to my cabin.
Mike.
Hello Arvind, how are you?
Mike.
Yeah, I'm fine. Just take your seat.
Thank you.
మైక్ ఇచ్చినందుక
How is your work going on?
It's good.
How many hours? What is the login time today?
1:30.
Okay, what's the
1:30.
reason? You have to come at
Actually, my
12.
cousin is back to the night time. And I got a ticket at the National Park. And I could be informed to
దివ్య కదలకుండా
Are
కూర్చోండి.
you sure? Are you sure you informed the family? There should not be a problem with you. I don't know what.
కొంపది చాటింగ్ వేస్తుంది
really, I don't know what happened. Yeah, yeah. You know what happened? I got a talk on about as well. You know what?
Yes, but she's having a serious issue with you.
Yeah, you know, I can talk. I don't have any. You can ask Divya also. What was it?
దివ్య
Now, it's still okay. We can just call her Divya.
దివ్య చూడు ఎలా చేస్తుంది.
Divya, please come to my cabin.
దివ్యకి చేరలేదు.
Yeah, good evening. I'm fine, Divya. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, actually there is a problem with your, do you remember? He told me
దివ్య కనపడ్డంలా.
actually he's come late today. And he said he's informed you to inform them.
Yeah, actually our login time was 11:30. He called me up around 11 o'clock and said he had to go somewhere, admit someone in hospital because they went with an accident. And I did go to Shailaja's, our time team leader Shailija.
Yes.
I had gone to her room to inform her, but she was busy. I don't know what she was doing, but she was busy. Then she asked me to drop in a mail regarding, whatever I came in. So yeah, I dropped her a mail saying he would be late by 2 hours.
And what time have you dropped today?
Say 11:15. I logged in 15 minutes early today.
You're sure you have the dropped the mail?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
So what's the reason, Arvind?
I said my cousin is went in the accident.
You have to drop them in your training, but this is not the way you do. You have to inform Shailaja.
I think that
It would be better if you call her and inform.
my cousin has been at the hospital.
Okay, you can go. I'll be there.
Thanks, sir.
Hello? Shailaja? Yes. Can you please come to my cabin, please?
Yes, Vidya.
Yes, Shailaja, come on. Yeah, I talked with Arvind. Actually, he's saying he's met his cousin has met with an accident.
Every day is not a reason for every small thing.
Just, have you checked your mails today?
No, not yet. Because I generally check around 4 o'clock in the evening.
It's not the way you have to know what the mails you have given.
Alright, Vidya, we generally get mails regarding the recruitment, regarding positions in the organization. And I think we can as well check the mails around 4 o'clock.
But have you seen your mails today morning?
No.
See, this is the problem where it is.
Alright, Vidya, I understand that. You asked me to take a look at the mail. Alright, I'm okay with it. But what? See, Vidya, it's hardly a matter of 10 paisa, okay? And he can as well just give me a call.
It's okay, but what Vidya had already dropped a mail to your mail.
Okay, what is the point
Regarding
of...
this, Arvind has an emergency to go out.
I completely understand his emergency, but can't Divya just give me a call? Can't Divya just give me a call? Can't just Arvind give me a call? So what's the point of me being a team leader?
See, Shailaja, you being a team leader, you must be the team role model to other teams. So you should be very kind and friendly with your teams. You should get the work done. Don't be so aggressive. Is there any problem?
See, I'm seriously telling you, Vidya. The thing is, from past 8 years I've been working in this organization and it's almost the same team. And I'm quite happy with these guys. And it's only this guy, it's only this chap who acts in this manner with me. Okay, so just think. Every day I fight with my husband. I come to the office, and still why am I still having a problem only with this guy? Why not with other people?
Please, Sailaja, this is office. You should not.
That is the reason. See, did I ever tell you in 8 years? Just hear to my word. Did I ever tell since 8 years? Okay, fine. I have my own personal problems. I do fight with my husband every day. But do I even tell this every day in the office? Not really, right?
1 minute. Hello, Divya? Please come to Mama Cabin. See, Divya, I just wanted to know about Arvind. How is his performance?
Performance is really good. I mean, I think you know he got the Top Gun award in our training batch, and his work is really nice. I mean, our target is 60, and we do around 63 to 65 calls, and he does the same number every day. It was just today he didn't do it because he told you the reason already.
Is he being consistently late to the office?
No, that was only today. And I told you the reason, and he also informed me to tell her. But Shailja was busy, so I dropped the mail.
With the communication gap with you, okay, fine. I would be doing one thing because constantly 2-3 days I've seen 30 calls a day. So now tell me, was he being consistent really now?
Can I say something here?
Yes.
Shailaja, I'm not being rude, but I think my team leader is a little bit biased towards the females in the group, in the team. So Arvind is always, the one who is
Wait,
being
have you
minded.
Divya? You can just leave, okay?
Okay, fine.
Please, Sailaja, this is not a big issue. Please don't make it a big issue. You being a team leader, you must be very kind and friendly, you don't do. And please don't be very biased to your employees.
Alright, this time I'll just check out. And next time if this thing continues, I'm so sorry. Now, please do help me out.
Hey, this is not the way you have to do. You have to clear your issues with your husband and whatever you have to see in your house. Or not get to this hospital.
Okay,
This is an organization, you are not here to be aggressive to everyone. You being a team leader, you have to be very calm. You should be a role model to your team members.
Probably meditation helps and I'm doing it.
Yeah, sure. And please don't make these issues again and again. Thank you.
Bye.
Mike.
Awesome performance. Everyone, each and every.
Thank you.
Sailaja rocked the show.
Big like on purpose.
Everything is good. I mean, even this Srivijaya being a cool HR manager, and this guy Arvind
జీవించారు
acted very good as well. It's nice.
Arvind,
యు ఆర్ వెరీ కామ్
she already has made a point that you were listening to ending songs and you were enacting it.
Actually, I'm waiting for a call. I didn't get any calls for the.
నేను ఇంకా జీవిస్తాను అయిపోయింది సినిమా
Srividya, perfect HR management, handling everyone. Shailja, got the show. Overall, wonderful. Thank you.
Thanks.
The next will be team 1.
మా
ఇంకా చాలు